अच्छा।
Myself Rajiv Kumar Gupta, and I studying in Medtech University, Audi, Chennai, and I have done my project from Saldo India Limited, and my project title is studying the various heist mechanism and modifying the chain heist. And my project team members are Shubham Sharma, Avis Jacob, Rajiv Kumar Gupta, Bharat Kumar Chaudhary, and my internal guide Mr. Praveen Kumar and external guide Mr. Pichai Murugan. And this is about company. And the abstract. There are many abstract and industrial process that can be modified and converted in more reliable and efficient process. One process is lifting up component from one section to another. This process is frequently used as a component are so heavy which can be lifted manually. So we use hoist mechanism to lift them. One of them is chain hoist, which is to lift a heavy object up to 1 ton. So we are modifying the chain hoist by the use of hydraulic. Manual chain hoist. Manual chain hoist is a suspended machinery unit that use of manual operation is used for the lifting and lowering of a free suspended load. A manual hoist generally uses chain as its lifting medium. A manual hoist is operated by hand. An operator will pull down one of the chain loops on one side of the chain. This will turn a pulley mechanism inside the chain hoist housing. When this pulley is turned, it will lift up to the end of the other chain, which usually has a hook on the end. By pulling down one of the chain, the manual hoist is actually able to increase the mechanism work that is being done. This is caused by the gear ratio inside the manual chain hoist. And this is the picture of cutting picture of manual chain hoist. And there is used a ratage mechanism. A ratage mechanism is based on a wheel that has teeth cut out of it, and a pole that follow as a wheel turns. Studying the diagram, you will see that as the ratage wheel turn and the pole falls into the deep. Between the teeth, ratage mechanism are very useful drives. For the example, they are used in mechanical clock. They are also very useful when used a system such as the one of seen opposite to the lift heavy weight. And parts of hydraulic power chain hoist. Manual chain hoist, a single acting spring return cylinder, a single acting pump, 2 non-return valve, pressure relief valve, pressure gauge check valve. And this is the specification of the manual hoist. And this is the hand chain hoist specification. Hydraulic cylinder, normal pressure up to 210 bar means 3045 psi. Metric cylinder with bore size 25 mm to 200 mm. ISO 6020/2 mounting interchangeable. Up to 3 rod size per bore, wide range of mounting access, etc. And this is the final layout of the mechanical force system. And this is the hydraulic mechanism system diagram. And bell crank mechanism. It is used to move the single acting spring return cylinder with the help of a pedal. It is very easy and efficient way of working procedure. The force used to move it about 10 Newton per mm square. And this is the belt drive wheel. And this is the conclusion we have to show from the diagram. And as we see from the chart, time required is less in hydraulic mechanism chain hoist. Noise level is reduced by use of belt drive. The cost of increase, but it is justified for the work being done. It is compact and mobile. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.